Dear student, I will now start today the chapter 4 division. Already you know how to do the division, but in the starting to the division system, I will show you a format where you can see where the divisor, dividend, quotients and remainder is allocated. You know there is two number in the division process. The small number is called divisor and the number which one is to do the division or the big number, it is called dividend. And after doing the division, which number we are getting is called quotient. And after doing the division, if there is something remainder remain maybe 0 or any other number, that is called remainder. Okay, write this format on your notebook. Okay, now I will start to do the division from the beginning of this chapter, that is page number 44. All of you start to do this division with me. I'll show you by the number 2 how to do the division procedure, because if I do the two number, you can know which one is the quotient, which one is the remainder. Number 2, it is written 57 divided by 8. Here 8 is the divisor, 57 is the dividend. So in rather than other procedure, we are doing the division, we are starting to do the division from the left side. In other procedure, addition, multiplication and subtraction, we are starting from the right side. But here I will make on account the big number, big plus value number, that is the left side one. It is tens number, so I'll take on account the tens number. Here tens number is 5. But look at 5 is not bigger than the 8. So I cannot divide the 5 because there is no 8 inside the 5. So I have to hire the 7 number for the first time. So the number becomes 57. So I can divide 57 because in 57 there are many more 8s. So find out in table 8 where is the 57 or near about 57. We know 8 2s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56. That is too much near 57. So I can write 8. Here is the first 8. 8. 7 should be here. 7s are 56 should be here. In the division, we find the dividend place, we find two numbers. So we'll do that number and we will go to procedure to subtraction with these two numbers. 7 minus 6 is 1. So in the quotients place there is 7 and remainder place there is 1. That is our answer. I have to write the answer. Q for quotients 7, comma, R for remainder 1. Write this one on your notebook and try to do the number 1. And now I'll show you the number 3. That is given 240 divided by 3. As like the second one, I have to make on account the left side number. Left side number is 2. So that cannot divide by 3. I have to take 4. The number becomes 24. Now I can divide the 24 by 3 because there is many more 3's in the 24. So if you continue the table 3, you can find 3 8 24. So the first 3 is written here. I have to put the 8 here and I have to write the 24 here. Now all will stop the division because all things finished. There is 0. 0 is nothing, no value, but it is big deal. Here 0 has a value because this has place value. This 0 has place value because we know 100 tens ones. If in ones place there is no 0, 24, 2 didn't become 200, 4 didn't become tens. Okay, so I have to take this 0 down and cut this 0 with the 0 because we know 3 zeros are 0. We are not cutting this 0 actually, we are cutting the place of this 0 because in the division not only the number is divided but also the places also. So 0 minus 0, the remainder should be 0. Instead of this 0, you can do the cross also because it is solved. In this case, you have to write the only answer. Quotients equal to 80, comma r, remainder is 0 because that there is no 0. Now I will show you the number 7. Number 7 is 84 divided by 7. So 7 is the divisor, 84 is the dividend. Here the left side number 8 is greater than the divisor 7. That means there is 7 inside the 8. So I can divide the 8. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. I will take 7 ones are 7. 7 is here, but I write the 1 here. 7 ones are, that's next 7 should be down of the 8. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 is coming down. So this is 14. We know 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. So after doing subtraction, we find out the remainder should be 0. Now write the answer of the number 7. I am writing here because there is no place down. Quotients 12 are for remainder 0. Okay, you can write here 0, 1, 0 if after solving, or put the cross also as you wish. Try to do this one by yourself and see how I am doing the procedure. Now go to the number 8. Sorry, I forget to write the main math. 60. Okay, see 5, it is written like that, 61. Here 5 is the divisor, 61 is the dividend. 6 is the left side number. I compare with the divisor, that is 6 is bigger than divisor 5. That means there is 5 inside the 6. I can divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay. After doing the subtraction, I will get 1. 1 cannot be divided by 5, so I am adding this one beside. So number becomes 11. Now continue the 5 tables for the 11 or near about 11. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So I'll take 5 2s are 15. Sorry for the mistake. I will take 5 2s are 10. Because I cannot take here 15. So I have to write 5 2s are 10. So if I write 5 here, 2 here and 10 should be here. And after writing the number, I have to do the subtraction. I will find one remainder, that is 1. So I'll write the answer. Quotients 12, remainder 1. So in this procedure, if you have any question, anything, you can openly ask me. You can call me in my emo number. The WhatsApp number is my emo. In WhatsApp also you can make question before 11 o'clock and after 7 a.m. And don't try to send any worksheet, any solve the problem after 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. because at the night time I cannot continue. Maybe you are worried. I send madam some worksheet. She is not checking. After then 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. if you are sending something, I can change easily. Okay. If you follow this procedure, you can do some numbers by yourself. That is allocated. Page number 44, exercise number 1, that is 1 4 5 and 6, and page number 45, exercise number 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you will write this homework. You have to do by yourself at the home. If you feel any difficulties, just inform me, call me. I have no objection. Just share with me. Now we'll show you 45 number page, rest of the mathematics. Exercise 1, that is 5 number, where you have to do the multiplication do the division. Division chapter we are continuing because too many days I'm doing the multiplication with you. That's why I am by mistake say the multiplication. But in the division procedure, here is the big hundreds number is as a dividend and the tens number is the divisor. Here the divisor is 6 and the dividend is 264. As earlier procedure, you can see the left side number is 2. It cannot be divided by 6. So I have to take the next number with these two. Next number is 6. The number becomes 26. 26 is much more bigger than 6. I can divide this one by 6. In the 6th table, what is the number is near about 26? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So I can take 6 4s are 24. Look at here. In the from the multiplication table, first number always should be here. Here I need the 6th table. The second one, which is multiplied with 6, I am putting in the quotients place, and the result is coming down the number which one is may take in account to do the division. Now I find out 26 and 24. I have to subtract this number. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Left side 0 is valueless, so I am not writing that one. It becomes confused. Make confused to do the furthermore division. Now I will take this 4 down because 2 cannot be divided by 6. Take the 4 down, and usually you can know 6 4s are again 24. You have to write again 6 4s are 24. After solving this, you can find out the remainder will be 0. Write down the answer. Questions 44, remainder 0. Now you have to do the, I have to do the number 7. And show you how can you do the number 7 by yourself. Number 7 is 7 divided to 819. Here 8 is less than 7, so 8 can be divided by 7. Always look at here, every division process I will take the number from the left side, first one. So 8 is less than 8 is greater than 7, so I can divide the 8 by 7. I can write 7 ones are 7, because if I go further the result will become big. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 can be divided by 7. I have to hire this number down. Second one is 11. Second one is 1. I take down and the number becomes 11. 11, we know 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So I have to take again 7 ones are, 7 is always here, 7 ones are 7. After doing this subtraction, 11 minus 7, you know, if you keep the 7 with you and count the next up to the next 11, you find 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 cannot be divided by 7. I have to check if there is any number left to division or not. Yes, the 9 is still I didn't divide. So take this 9 down. I am putting this arrow to show you how to do, because sometimes you will find out where is the 9, where is the 9. I show this. This one should be here. 9 beside the 4. The number becomes now 14. That 49. This one I didn't divide yet. This number becomes 49. This one I didn't divide yet. So find out in the 7 table where is 49. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. So I can write 7. Now next 7 should be here. 7 7s are 49. Now the division complete. I can put here 0, because 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. Answer should be quotients 117, remainder 0. You can say, madam, why you write like that? Because I have no space. You have to continue right side. But as I have no space, I can write here. I write on the side. But always write the answer here. In this procedure, you can do the number 6 and 8 also. If you insist me, I can show you the number 6 and 8 also. But try to practice by yourself. And also I am given homework. The homework I also write because I want to give you the other two numbers as a homework. So at last, write the homework. Page number 45, exercise number 1, 1, 4, 5, 6. Page number 40, sorry, this one 44, this one 45. Exercise number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. Please try to do by yourself. If you need help in when you are doing this math, you can ask me, you can call me. I have no objection. And if you want, if you have any TNT number, I will give you the TNT number in my WhatsApp group. Please collect it. You can call also the TNT, that is landline phone. Usually that one in my country called TNT, but here called landline. You can call on the landline also. I will talk with you in the landline. So as the number I didn't memorize, I can write here, but afterward I will send you through the WhatsApp.